Okay, we're here at LiveEdge And Crafts today to put together a 48-inch clothing rack. A little demonstration on pipe assembly. I always like to start on the floor so that when you're done, you can tell that it's square together. I've already done the 48-inch, put the 90 on one end and the T-coupler on the other end. Save a little time. I always put them on snug, good and snug. On this one. All got her. Alright. Looks flat. We'll put the T on last. Put the flanges on. Want to screw the flange down good and snug. Not reef on it. You want a little bit of play in it in case you have to adjust it to line up with the screws later. You don't want it too loose when you do. Okay. Stand it up. Put it on the rack. Oh, look at that. Hold on, that one lined up right up the first time. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, no. Yeah. There we go. Now, this is when it's nice to have extra set of hands to hold it up while you put these in. I used number 10 by 1 inch screws. Put these in. Put the T on the end here. And just sight down and see if the two pipes are lined up straight together, and that looks really good to me. If they're off a little, you just hold on to one end and turn it one way or the other to get them to line up perfect. And that's how we do it here at LiveEdge And Crafts.